Hello everybody. So we're gonna do a cooking video today, but it's not really a cooking video, but it kind of is. It's also like a canning, but it's not canning. A lot of people can this. Please don't can it. It is not safe to actually can this and put it on your shelf. They stay good in the fridge for up to 4 months. Please stop canning them. But anyway, now that I've said that, I've been requested multiple times to make pickled eggs. So we're gonna make some pickled eggs today. Very straightforward, very basic, very simple. Hopefully it's very good. If not, guess what? We're gonna do it again and again until we master it. Okay? All right, let's do it. Also, by the way, this video is gonna take like a little bit because day one will be today, we make the pickled eggs. And then again in like a week, I think it's a week, I can't remember, it's a week or 2 weeks, that they need to sit and brine and get delicious. And then that's when we'll try them out. We'll see how they go. All right? So we'll be back after I get the eggs going. And the eggs are farm fresh eggs. So excited. Also, can you see our miniature horse at the moment? We're dog sitting. This is Winston. Pumpkin's in the bathroom, not impressed with life. I'm also going to add too in this video, I do have background noise because Winston does have some issues with quiet areas. So I'm hoping the TV doesn't pick it up. If it does, it's okay. I'm just watching some YouTube videos. Sorry you guys can't see it. Winston is like sniffing this out, trying to figure out what I'm doing. All right, let's go because we're going to hard boil these eggs in the Instant Pot. Okay, oh, I think I gotta back you up a little bit. Maybe? Maybe. I don't know. Trying to figure out where to put you guys in the new kitchen. Okay. So I use the Instant Pot, oh, hey Winston, to boil my eggs. Sorry, dude, you are right under my feet. Get some water in there. Now, out, come on. Thank you. Now I'm using these eggs. These eggs aren't fun. Look at these eggs. I'm sorry, this is exciting. These were gifted to us. Right? How cool. I'm sorry, I don't care. It's exciting. Eggs were gifted. They were free. I will say it, in today's economy, free is great. Okay, got some farm fresh eggs. We're just gonna pop these in. I'm actually gonna do all of them because I think the recipe calls for 10, but I'll do 12, so in that way I can either A, have 2 more, or B, I have 2 hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. Either way it'll work. Save that and we'll give it back to them. Okay. Now when I do it, I don't know about everybody else, I do 5 minutes, no 4 minutes. I do 4 minutes on manual pressure, and then I just let it do its thing, and then I turn it off, and then I let quick release. That's how I do mine. So we'll be back in 4 minutes. Well, it'll be more like 10 minutes. For you, it'll be a split second. Okay, so while these eggs are getting ready and like cooking, we're gonna get the brine ready. Nope, out. We're gonna get the brine ready, because it is a hot pour. I'm sorry everyone, you're going to hear me saying out to Winston a lot because he has horrible manners. Yeah, you're still a puppy and you're learning. Okay. You might even hear them fighting in the background, I apologize. So it's 3 cups. Ooh, that was spot on. I love when I do that. Okay, out. Out. Thank you. So we've got 3 cups of white vinegar going in the pot. And we've got a quarter cup of white sugar going into the pot. Out. Thank you. Goodness. And a tablespoon of salt. This is my salt. I'll be right back. I really didn't think you guys wanted to hear that grinding, okay? So, we've got our salt going in and salt on the stove. I will clean that up after. And then it also calls for a bay leaf and 2 cloves of garlic, but we're just going to pop those right into the jar. We're not going to put that into here. And also, for anyone who does not know this, garlic will turn blue the occasional time when it is pickled. It is okay. It's a natural reaction. So we're going to heat this up. We're going to do it slowly because we're going to do it slowly. So we'll be back in about 5 minutes. Okay. Now the sugar has dissolved and the salt has more or less dissolved. All the salt won't dissolve because it's that good old rock, but it's okay. So I got my 11 eggs. There was 12, but I had to eat one for quality control. I got a couple cloves of garlic. Ah, is that an eggshell? That was an eggshell. Rude. I rinsed all these off too. That's horrible. Okay, we'll try that again. All right. Okay. Hey! Be right back. Okay, I'm back. Out. The joys of a cat and a dog. They love to fight. Okay, so I got my eggs in here. I got my garlic in here. We're going to drop a bay leaf in. And very carefully. Oh, wait, hold on. Ta-da! We're going to pour the brine in. Oh, look how beautiful that is. Oh, look at that glory. Okay. Now we're going to let that do its thing. We're going to let that cool down. Actually, you know what else I'm going to pop in there? I'm going to put some peppercorns in. I don't have pickling spice, or I'd put pickling spice in, which it's fine. It's fine like this. Beautiful. Okay, so we will be back in about a week and we will do a taste test. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, so where are you? You're down here. So tons of time has passed since I've done these. We now have a dog. Dog sitting has turned into we now have a dog. Okay, let's give them, as you can tell by the jar, we have been eating them. They're not horrible. They are definitely super, super duper like basic pickled eggs. which there's nothing wrong with that if that's what you like. Personally, I know there's lots of things that I am going to do a little bit different with it next time. Like pickling spice, yes please. And definitely a little bit of onion. I like spice, so I just got some kimchi here. It's delicious. If you've never done like egg and kimchi, do yourself a favor and do it. Now, it definitely has that pickled egg type thing. That rubbery consistency. Give me one second. I'm just actually going to lift you up a little bit here. There we go. So it definitely has that like rubbery, where are you? There you are. Has that rubbery egg consistency, which is fine. Like it's good. Definitely lots of things I would do extra. Ooh, you can see my pink pants. But not gonna complain. Now I am super sorry. It took me literally a month to finish a video. Alright. I promise I'll remember to keep doing them a little more often. Here we go. Pickled eggs. Next time, pickle and spice. Definitely going in. Bye.